Hi, back again. Now we're going on to plantain. And they call it's not banana, they call it big banana. But in our culture, we can boil it. Most of the time we fry it. And I have 3 here. I kind of cut it in oblong shape, and then put a little cinnamon on it, and then let me proceed. Peel them. I'll cut off the top and the bottom. Okay, now I just on the side, just glide the knife through, and then you take your hand and just peel it off, and the skin is removed. And I put it in a oblong shape and just do like this. So that's one. And then I do the same thing on this one. Let's take this off. See how easily it peels off. Okay. Now I put a little olive oil in the pan. It's on? No. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna turn on the pan too. Let it heat up. In the meantime, I'll sprinkle a little cinnamon. Yeah. Should be good. And try to move them around in the cinnamon. So each of them get a little bit on it. Sometimes we flash a little water to see if the pan is hot. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some olive oil in. Wait for it to get hot. So So I'm gonna go ahead, because it's warm, and put the plantains in. And basically what you're trying to do is let them get a little brown. And then you flip them over. So each side get a little brown.
Plantains considered a side dish or a dessert or a vegetable or fruit?
I think it's in the fruit, in the vegetable
starch?
family.
No, when so are plantains considered a starch when you serve it, or is it considered a fruit or a vegetable?
It's a vegetable for us.
A vegetable.
Let me try to turn and see. No, not quite. When you're ready to turn it over, you could see a kind of yellow brownish around it, the bottom. Then you know it's time to turn it over. You don't want it to burn. So that's why you have to watch it carefully. You can't just put it and leave.
What level heat do you have it on?
Currently I have it on a 6. Because I don't want it to get either too greasy. That's how it should look.
When you fry them, are they always sliced? Thin like this?
Yeah. But when you boil it, you could cut it like in 2 or 3 pieces.
And when you boil it, is it served as a starch or a vegetable?
Good question. I still go back to vegetable. And if you look carefully, like this one, you could see the oil is coming up through, so you know it's getting through and getting cooked. You see the oil right there? Yeah. It's very important to make sure your skillet it's hot when you first start. I'll put the paper towel on the plate and then put plantain on it so it drains the excess oil, just like you do bacon. See? That's how it should be looking. I'll put some more in. That's it right now until I get these out.
One in the back.
Hmm?
One in the back.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
And you cannot eat plantains raw, right?
No,
You have to cook them.
you have to cook them. Either boil or fry. Some people call them big banana, but they're different from banana, really.
What's the difference between a green banana and a plantain?
Okay, a green banana, we boil it. It's like a potato.
Is it an unripe regular banana
Yes.
before it's
A-
ripe?
A plantain is really different from a banana. And the taste, you could taste it's different.
What does a boiled green banana taste like? More like a potato?
More like a potato. Yeah.
Just before the sugars have been allowed to be processed?
Correct. And it seems like it's a different sweet than a banana. It's different.
Do you like plantains that are all black also?
It's a little sweeter, and it comes out better.
The texture is
The
different.
texture is different, yeah.
To cook plantains this way, do you prefer the black ones?
Yeah, most people do, yes. I'm gonna turn this down a tad.
For level 3.
About 3, yes. And that will just wrap it up.
Now, did your family make plantains often?
Oh yeah, we grew it. Yeah, they do. A matter of fact, this is our Sunday dinner. Plantain salad, rice and peas, and either chicken or pork or fish or beef. We usually have a big Sunday dinner. Sorry. Okay, now you have your fried plantains ready to eat for dinner. Hope you enjoyed this session. That's it for today. Thank you.